tell you what's been on my mind. Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city light. Hey, darling,
go home, sheepy.
we should get out of town, see the beautiful world around.
There you go, honey.
Yeah, pull it down this time. Like, he was loud. We were like, give me my food!
Says you're not doing it right. This is wrong. I love it.
Really needs hair like that. He's happy.
I like when he headbutts it, kind of. Nancy used to love to do this. We had, at some point, we had like we had some cows and pigs and stuff. So she liked to get to bottle feed the calf. That's Taffy. She always talked about.
Oh, are you done? Are you done? Keep it high up.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
Hi. Oh, well, we definitely don't want to make you sick. Oh, paws up. There. There you go. Is that better? I think he did it. That's all, honey. It's all gone. What's that stomp mean, huh? Wanna stomp me at me?
Is that the hen house over there?
Yeah.
Gonna stay in this moment. Gonna lay here on the grass. I don't need to feel lonely. I am finally home at last. And I don't mind being gone on adventures for a while. No, no. 'Cause the best thing about it
We got to feed the little one up by the house. That was awesome.
They don't wiggle the tail, you have to worry about them and not help.
magic places in the world I'm venting. This is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why. I'm always feeling homesick.
He's gonna win, Karen.
All I know, where the beauty never ends.
Oh, hi. Hi.
Differences, friendly faces.
Oh, cool.
I'm going back. But I don't have to be chasing every dream that I have.
His nose is very soft. What is it? Hi, Ernie. Hi, Ernie.
'Cause the thing is, I've got more love here than I can bear. Ooh, of all the magic places in the world, this is
I don't think anybody will. They'd be like, oh.
no matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold, no matter what
Did you name this Charles too? Okay. You wanna hold him? Sure. All the babies. Oh, you got cocoa everywhere. Beautiful color.
Of all the magic places in the world,
You can go in there.
this
She
is
just
where
doesn't
my
have
heart
to be in
is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm
Oh, aren't you cute?
I think she said no.
Hold them close. Calm down.
Aww. You're fine. You're okay. This doggy's not happy.
Why are you holding them and not me?
Oh, look at that. You've got so many.
That one's Ethel.
That's Ethel. Hi, Ethel. Hi, Ethel. Oh, did you want to come over? Hi, Ethel. No, Kelly, we can't
I don't need a goat. I live in town. I can't have a goat.
Aww. I think I found one, though, that likes me.
Yeah. It matches your shirt.
And they actually right on the table.
What is your name?
Mabel.
That's Mabel.
That's Mabel? I thought that was Mabel.
No, Mabel's the dog. I've been hollering at her to shut up.
Oh, it's great. She doesn't like me. She's sort of working when I got here.
lost again, going back around, dreaming of the time when I get lost in the shadows of a million stars. Shouldn't they invite right near and far? Shouldn't they at all just tell me where you are?
Them or me?
They're all looking at you, right? They are really, really pretty. Up on the hill stood a lonely goat.
Sing to me if I lose my voice. Said a better route if I lose my cool.
See, they could get their heads caught.
I didn't know they did.
Well, I know you do. Well, guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below what you think, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.